Jai Hind children, welcome in your computer class. In today's class, we will compile the conditional statement. If you are having such problems related with some condition and you have to write down the programming on that, then how you will do? How you will do, children? You will use the conditional statement. Like if your age is less than 18, you can't vote. Your voting rights are not with you. After 18 years, now you can vote. So if such type of statements are there, like in class 9th, if you have scored more than 90% of marks, in class 7th if you have scored more than 90% of marks, then in class 9th or in next class 8, you will have this much of scholarship. So if you have such type of conditions and according to that you have to set the programs, then you have to use conditional statement. First one is if statement, means we will set the condition. If it is true, we will apply that and we will print that type of statement. If age is greater than 18, print statement क्या होगा? You are eligible to vote. But अगर अब इसमें आपका मल्टीपल स्टेटमेंट हो गया, so we will use if then else if then else if then else पहले करेंगे. If then else मतलब if your age is greater than 18, print you are eligible to vote. Else नहीं तो else print you are not eligible to vote. आप अपनी एज की एंट्री करेंगे, यूज़र एंट्री. अगर आपने 19 डाला है तो स्टेटमेंट आएगा यू आर एलिजिबल टू वोट, नहीं तो एल्स पार्ट चल जाएगा. इफ़ योर एज यू हैव एंटर्ड योर एज एज 12 ईयर्स, देन एल्स पार्ट चलेगा. इन द सेम वे इफ़ यू आर हैविंग मल्टीपल स्टेटमेंट जैसे कि आपके मार्क्स हो गए, अगर आपका 90% और 100% के बीच में है, देन योर ग्रेड इज A1. If your marks is out of 100, if your marks is more than 80 but less than 90, so your grade is A2. More than 70 but less than 80, your grade is B1. So in this way, if you have to set multiple condition, then for that you will use if then else और उसके बाद else if आ जाएगा. If then else if अगर है ठीक है 90 से 100 के बीच में, तो देन प्रिंट योर ग्रेड इज A1. एल्स इफ आ जाएगा उसके बाद, नहीं तो फिर अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो एल्स इफ चलेगा. तो एल्स इफ में क्या है? एल्स इफ प्रिंट योर ग्रेड इज इन बिटवीन 80 to 81. अगर ऐसा भी नहीं है तो फिर आप एल्स चला दो, या फिर और मल्टीपल स्टेटमेंट है तो फिर से एल्स इफ ऐसे करके आप मल्टीपल स्टेटमेंट यू कैन रन. सो दिस इज all about your conditional statements. Like, see this. If you can see the book, you will see your condition statement. Condition है और some examples दिए हैं, ठीक है. इसके बाद आता है बेटा फ्लो चार्ट. फ्लो चार्ट is the representation. What is? It is the pictorial representation of what you are doing actually in your programming. If you wanted to write some program, draw a flow chart that I have to input these values, I have to take these variables, then after that I have to print this command, I have to use this conditional statement अगर आ गई. If it is yes, then what should be printed. If it is not true, अगर गलत है, स्टेटमेंट कंप्लीट नहीं हो रही है, फुलफिल नहीं हो रही है, तो व्हाट विल बी प्रिंटेड एंड हाउ वी विल एंड दिस. सो दिस इज व्हाट अबाउट योर फ्लो चार्ट. फ्लो चार्ट इज द पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. इन अ कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम, स्टेटमेंट्स आर जनरली एग्जीक्यूटेड इन sequential manner, but if you use the multiple statements, then the program may go to that side. So like input your age is greater than 18. अगर ऐसा है तो yes, तो आप यू आर एलिजिबल टू फॉर ए ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस है यहाँ पे दिया बेटा, अगर नहीं है नो तो यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल टू अप्लाई फॉर ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस. नाउ आफ्टर दिस टाइप्स ऑफ कंट्रोल स्टेटमेंट हमारे पास हैं. ठीक है, सीक्वेंशियल स्टेटमेंट होता है जिसमें आपका कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट आपका आता है. एक आइटरेटिव स्टेटमेंट होता है, इट रिपीटेड टिल द कंडीशन इज ट्रू. कंडीशन चलती रहेगी, तब तक चलती रहेगी जब तक कंडीशन आपकी ट्रू होगी. एज सुन एज द कंडीशन फॉल्स इट विल कम आउट फ्रॉम द लूप. तो दो तरह के हम पढ़ेंगे. पहला है इफ की आपकी सिंटेक्स है. एवरीथिंग आई विल टेल यू थ्रू द प्रोग्राम हाउ यू विल यूज द इफ स्टेटमेंट. इफ एल्स स्टेटमेंट है. देन आफ्टर दैट इफ एल्स इफ, मतलब दो एक कंडीशन ट्रू तो यस और नो के अलावा भी कोई कंडीशन है, मल्टीपल कंडीशंस आर देयर, तो इफ एल्स इफ स्टेटमेंट. एंड only this much is there in your syllabus. So today what is our task, children? Our task is to use the conditional statement. First I will write the program for if statement. Then if अगर ऐसा है तो ये statement हो जाए, complete हो जाए, ये print हो जाए. नहीं तो we will use if then else if. Condition true नहीं है तो we will else का part चला देंगे. अगर और ज़्यादा कंडीशन हमें यूज़ करनी है तो इफ़ देन एल्स इफ़ देन एल्स इफ़ ऐसे करके, और लास्ट में फिर हम उसको क्लोज करेंगे. सो इन टुडेज क्लास वी विल स्टार्ट द कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट. लेट्स सी द प्रोग्रामिंग. सो लेट्स स्विच टू द स्क्रीन पार्ट. लेट्स सी द स्क्रीन. दिस इज द पाइथन स्क्रीन, चिल्ड्रन. एंड नाउ टुडे वी विल go to file, new option, and another mode of writing the Python program. Okay, now we will start the conditional statement. So first one is if statement. If statement is used when we have to evaluate only one condition. For example, children, I am going to take the age of your or your relative or your friend. If it is greater than 18, then the message will appear that you can vote. Otherwise, if it is not, then see what will happen. So for that we have to take the input from user. So take a variable first, like age. I am taking a variable age is equal to, then convert that value into integer, so int. In a bracket take input, so input, input command. Okay, we will take input from the user, and then in double quotes we have to write down the message. Like the message is enter your age, enter your age. Okay, and close this, enter your age, and in this way the age will be entered. Enter your age, double quotes close, angular bracket close 2 times, because 2 times it's open now. So one bracket and one more bracket. So we will take input from the user that enter your age. So for that we have written a message, enter your age. ये message जाएगा, and input command will take the input. Whatever input user will give, it will be converted into integer, and it will store in age variable. This age variable, you can write variable as a also, b also. I am writing age. After this, whatever user will give the input, it will store in age and it will be used accordingly. Now I am going to write if command, children. It should be in small. If in a bracket, not in a bracket, if age is greater than 18. If age is greater than 18, then put a colon and write down the statement for that. Which statement? Print. What you have to print? If your age is greater than 18, what you will print? You can vote. Congratulations, you can vote, or you are eligible to vote. The message is of your choice, children. You can vote, and close the bracket. After this, I am not writing the else part. First of all, see only if part. If condition, you are giving a condition that if the value which is in age is greater than 18, then what will be printed? You can vote. But if the value will be less than 18, then nothing will be printed, children. Only if the value is greater than 18, then only this message will be shown to us. It will appear on the screen. So first of all, we have written a Python program. So first of all, we have to save it. Click on File and save this. A box will come, dialog box will come for saving your file. Write down the name. I am writing first program, so py1, first program, okay, and I will save it. So my Python program is now saved. Now if I wanted to see the output, that this 3 lines, I have written 3 lines in Python, so what will be the output? So click on run module, click on run and then select run module, or directly you can press F5 function key. See the shortcut F5. So see, enter your age. This has come, children. Question is enter your age, because you wanted to take input from the user, that enter your age. What is your age, children? So we will write like let's take 20. Age is 20. So is it greater than 18? Is it greater than 18, children? Yes. So what it will print? It will print you can vote. But what if you will use this, like click on File, open that program. Your program is py1. Open that program, children. And what if the age is not greater than 18? Let's see what will happen. Run it and see. See, enter your age, and I am going to write 15. Okay, see, nothing is printed. So there is no message for wrong. If the condition is wrong, then there is no message for that. So for the same, we have to do this. What we have to do? This is the program. Now we have to use else part. Else part means if this condition will not satisfy, then what will happen? So we will use the else part, children. For the same, we will write else. What we will write? Else. E-L-S-E. Else, put a colon sign. These are the syntax, children. In the same way you have to write. ठीक है, ऐसे ही लिखना है आपको. If this variable is greater than 18, then put a colon. Print command, you can vote. आप वोट कर सकते हैं, ये प्रिंट होगा. बट इफ एज इज नॉट ग्रेटर देन 18, अगर ये सेटिस्फाई नहीं हुआ कंडीशन, इफ दिस कंडीशन इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड मींस एज की वैल्यू 18 से कम दी गई है, तो एल्स पार्ट विल रन. एंड एल्स, राइट डाउन एल्स कॉलन एंड राइट डाउन प्रिंट, PRINT, प्रिंट इन कोट, double quotes, you cannot vote or you are not eligible for voting. You cannot vote. In this way you will print a message. Okay, and now if you will run this, then if age is greater than 18, you can vote. This message will appear. If age is not greater than 18, age आपका 18 से कम है, तो this message will be shown on the screen that you cannot vote. Sorry भी लिख सकते हैं, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है. The message is of your choice. So now let's run this. First of all, save this file. Now after saving, run. Something is there, children. Else part. Okay. Like this. Now save this file, children. Control S, or you can save from here. See, enter your age. Enter your age. So I am writing 12. 12 is less than, 12 is less than what? Less than 18. So क्या आएगा? You cannot vote. Let's see. I am pressing enter. Okay. See, you cannot vote. Enter your age. Input दिया है user ने. 12 is given by the user. So this message has appeared. You cannot vote. Earlier no message was there because we have not written the else part. अगर आप else part नहीं दोगे तो only when it will satisfy this message will be printed. Otherwise, if this condition is not satisfied children, then else part will run. Age अगर 18 से बड़ा नहीं है तो else part will run. ठीक है? This is the conditional statement. So if age is greater than 18 or whatever condition you will give, if it will satisfy this, then the first statement will run. Otherwise, the else statement will run. It will shown in the screen. Now after this, we have to use multiple else condition. अगर आपको एक से ज़्यादा condition use करनी है, else statement. What is the next one children? Next condition is given on page number 87. If you can see, if you are able to see your book, open it. Page number 87 is if else statement. If you are using the multiple condition, then what will happen? So now let's see the multiple statement. Now children, the next one is multiple if. Okay, so let's start with the condition that you have to create a program where if you are writing 1, then it will show Monday. If you are writing 2, then it will show Tuesday. In this way, if you are writing multiple statements, then how it will be printed? Okay, it is given in your book and I am explaining it directly from your book. Let's see the statements. Children, click on file and click on new option. Now first of all, we will take user input from the user and store it in a variable. Like let me store it in n. Okay, store it in n. N is equal to, now whatever you will give, it will convert it into integer. So int, take input command because you are taking input from the user. In that input, give a message that the message is input a number. Okay, input a number to print the name of the day. Input a number to print the name of the day. We have to print a number. Okay, we have to give an input first of all. One more bracket and now it is closed. Press enter. Now start with if. Whatever value user will give, it will store in n. Whatever value user will give, input command से whatever value user will give, number देगा user. Okay, and this will store in n variable में store हो जाएगा. Now next step is if n is equal to, equal to में बेटा ये नहीं है, double equal to अब लगाएंगे because single equal to is assignment operator and double equal to is actually the equal to operator in Python. So for equal to अगर आप करना है, equal to meaning का कोई भी statement है तो double equal to you have to use. If n is equal to 1, then what we will put? Colon, and then what is printed? Print, print करो क्या? Print करो Monday. Print होगा Monday. Double quotes close and then bracket close. Now next is else if. Backspace कीजिए, वापस जाइए थोड़ा सा and now write down else if. else if एक साथ, ठीक है? else if के लिए यहाँ पे elif लिखते हैं. else if के लिए यहाँ पे क्या लिखते हैं बच्चों? elif, 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 ठीक है? ELIF याद रखिएगा. else if के लिए यहाँ पे लिखते हैं ELIF. If this n is equal to, अगर ये 1 ना होकर के अगर ये 2 हुआ तो क्या होगा? n is equal to 2, then what we will print? It will be printed as print ट्यूसडे, क्या प्रिंट हो, ट्यूसडे, एंड देन डबल कोट्स क्लोज, एंगुलर ब्रैकेट क्लोज. नाउ नेक्स्ट अगेन हम एक और एल्स चलाएंगे, एक और कंडीशन चलाएंगे. अभी तक दो कंडीशन दी है. If n is equal to 1, then it will be printed. If n is equal to 2, then it will be printed. Now again we will write elif, E-L, not in capital children, in small, E-L-I-F. elif what? अगर n में 3 यूजर ने दिया है, देखो ये गलत हो गया, ये असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर है, तो you have to use double equal to sign. n is equal to 3, put a colon. ये writing format है children, you have to put this colon, otherwise syntax error will come. Then print command. Print command in a bracket, what you will write? Tuesday के बाद क्या लिखेंगे? Wednesday. So in capital I am going to write. Okay, so now it is written, it is completed. Third condition is also written. Now put a backspace so that you can go to backside. And now I am doing the copy paste option. Let me use this, not from here, from here. Control C and then Control V, and इसको आपको बैक साइड ले जाना है. elif n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4, so Wednesday की जगह क्या आ जाए? Thursday. Okay, so put backspace and write down Thursday, Thursday. Thursday प्रिंट हो अगर n is equal to 4 है. देन अगेन कंट्रोल V से पेस्ट हो जाएगा. elif n is equal to 5, देन थर्सडे की जगह फ्राइडे. ओके, Friday, फ्राइडे. एंड वन मोर इज सैटरडे. सैटरडे और संडे दो और रह गए. ओके, इफ वी विल कीप इट टिल हियर, और लेट मी कंप्लीट. कंट्रोल V, n इज इक्वल टू 5 के बाद हम 6 लेंगे बेटा. अगर 6 यूजर ने दिया है तो फ्राइडे विल कन्वर्टेड एज, फ्राइडे की जगह हमारा क्या आ जाएगा? सैटरडे. एंड वन मोर इज देयर, सो कंट्रोल V, n इज इक्वल टू 7, एंड राइट डाउन सैटरडे के बाद संडे. ओके, SUNDAY, Sunday. And now what if the user will not give none of the value? If user will give 1, then Monday will be printed. If user will give 3, then Wednesday will be printed. But what if the user will not give these numbers? User will give number apart from 1 to 7. 1 से लेके 7 तक के नंबर यूजर अगर नहीं देगा, क्योंकि in here you have written input a number to be printed. आपने सिर्फ ये बोला है कि एक नंबर दीजिए. यू हैव नॉट रिटन दैट एंड इनपुट अ नंबर बिटवीन 1 to 7. नो. सो एल्स पार्ट अब लगाएंगे. ठीक है, लास्ट स्टेटमेंट, लास्ट कंडीशन क्या है? फॉर क्लोजिंग द लास्ट स्टेटमेंट यू विल राइट एल्स पार्ट. एल्स इन स्मॉल लेटर, एल्स इन अ कॉलन. एल्स क्या होगा? एल्स करो प्रिंट, PRINT, प्रिंट इन अ कोट, in double quotes, print invalid option और sorry try again ऐसे करके, है ना. और please give the number between 1 to 7. So you can give a message like that. So you can write it in that way. Please give number between 1 to 7. And hence this message will be printed. Clear children? अगर 1 से 7 के बीच में नहीं है तो else part, the last condition will run. That else, अगर ये सब condition satisfy नहीं हो रहे तो ये message show होगा. Please give number between 1 to 7. So in this way you are writing a program for multiple condition. See this, how many condition? If n is equal to 1, एक condition हो गई. This one is second condition, this one is third condition. अगर n is equal to 4 है तो Thursday print हो, fourth condition. So in this way multiple conditions you are giving. So for that we use if or elif. अगर और है तो फिर elif, जब तक आपका कंडीशन चलता रहेगा तब तक एलिफ करते रहेंगे एंड लास्ट में क्लोजिंग होगा एल्स से. अगर इनमें से कोई भी कंडीशन नहीं ट्रू है तो एल्स दिस विल प्रिंट. क्लियर? नाउ लेट्स रन दिस, बट बिफोर that we have to save this file. So click on file, save, and now this is my second program. So I am writing Python 2 and save it. Once we will run, enter, input a number to print the name of the day. हमको कोई नंबर देना है, मैंने दिया 5. See what will come. Friday. ये आया क्वेश्चन ना. Input a number to print the name of the day. Input command में ये मैसेज था, so it will appear on the screen and it will wait for my input. The user will give a input. I have given an input of 5. तो 5 का मतलब 5 को मैच करेगा और Friday प्रिंट कर देगा. If it will not be like that, like again if we will run this, so input a number to print the name of the day. Again this message has appeared and now I am giving 8 दे दिया आप हमने. ठीक है. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday till Sunday it will not match, so it will print the else message. जब कोई भी कंडीशन मैच नहीं हो रही है, see this message has appeared. What? Please give number between 1 to 7. It means what? None of the condition is matching because I have given 8 na, till 1 to 7 I have put it there. So 8 means मेरा वो reach के बाहर हो गया, condition is not there. So else statement will run. Else statement will run, children. It is very easy, very interesting, and through this you can create various programs where the multiple operators, multiple conditions were needed. Like this is from your book. You can design some programs in such a way that you can print, you can show the values for multiple condition. Like for example, if you will open page number 93, then there are some project works, there are some practice sessions. Create a program in Python to find a year is leap year or not. Write a program to display valid voter. ये तो हमने कर लिया है बेटा. Again age अगर आपका greater than less than है, ऐसे है तो HRA ये मिलेगा, DA ये मिलेगा. So these are different condition on which something will be given. Like if your percentage is greater than 90, then your grade is A1. If your percentage is greater than 80 but less than 90, then your grade is A2. So in this way multiple conditions are there which you can use in this by using this conditional statements. ये क्या है? These are conditional statements, children. Condition लगाई गई है कि अगर n की वैल्यू ये है तो ये हो, n की वैल्यू if 2 then this will, if n is equal to 3 then this will print. So these are condition, and if none of the condition will match then else part will run. Else part चलेगा अगर कोई भी condition नहीं true हुई. I hope these programs are clear to you. Please do practice time given on page number 87. Page number 87 is there in your book. See the practice time and do it, and complete your copy work from the app. Okay, now let's move to the next part, that is your recap option is recap is there in your book. Practice time is given in page number 89 also. So page number 87 and 89, please do it, children. Children, today we have completed the programming part of conditional statement in Python. So now what is your turn? You will write down all the examples, different examples. Pick it from your book, pick it from your surroundings, that where the condition you can apply, what are the conditions and how you can apply. Write a program for that and run it, execute it. You will feel very happy. If you are not having PC, then you will write it in your notebook Write down the statement, draw a box in front of that and execute it line by line. That what will be the output. In this way you can revise the conditional statement in Python. Okay children. So till then children, complete it. Complete your notebook work. Already I have uploaded the question answers. So complete your notebook work. In next class we will start with the next topic, next chapter. Till then, take care.